function might look difficult at first, but the moment you do a little bit of trigonometric adjustment, this is just going to become smooth like butter. So the little trigonometric adjustment that you have to do is just write that cosine to the power 4x as cosine square x times cosine square x. So just write that cosine to the power 4 as cosine square x times cosine square x with respect to x. The moment you do that, you have to observe something. If you observe that sine square divided by cos square is nothing but tan square x, okay, and also observe that this is 1 upon cosine square. We know 1 upon cosine is nothing but sec. 1 upon cosine square x is sec square x. How is that in the advantage to us? Because we know the moment we put tan x is equal to u, derivative of tan x, which is sec square x, is right adjacent to it. So it will just become very easy to solve at that point. Okay, so let's first write that down. We have tan square x over here, and we have sec square x over here with respect to x. Now, in order to solve this, we can just do u substitution. We can say tan x is equal to u because the derivative of tan x sec square x is already present. Now, let's differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So the derivative of tan x with respect to x is sec square x dx, and derivative of u is du. Okay. So we have this sec square x dx is du. Notice that over here, sec square x times dx. So sec square x times dx is nothing but du. So we can convert that integral now in the u world. So that will look like integral of, this will become u square because tan x is u square, and sec square x times dx is nothing but du. Okay, now it's very easy because we know integration of u square is just like u to the power n. So this is u cube divided by 3, u to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. And we can convert it back to the x world because tan x is equal to u. We can just say this is tan cube x because u is tan x. This will become tan cube x divided by 3, plus let's add the constant of integration c, and that is your final result.